Why do we sneeze?
Packed with weird science, involuntary violence, and internal sabotage. 1 second you're chill, the next, your face explodes at 100 miles per hour. Quick facts. Sneezing is your nose's emergency eject button, a reflex to blast out dust, pollen, or whatever demon just flew up your nostril. Or maybe your nose is just dramatic. Microscopic particle detected. Prepare the cannons. And your brain. Total chaos coordinator. It paralyzes your body for a split second, so you can't run. Thanks, I hate it. Next time, why do your fingers wrinkle in water? And is it evolution or your skin low-key shape-shifting? Follow for more body drama your science teacher definitely skipped. Follow for more silly why because your body is weirder than your browser history. Subscribe.